Hello, super students. It's me, Miss Ho.
And me, Ollie Owl.
And welcome to another day of Sounds and Words. We're so glad you could all join in. Let's begin by reading the learning target. Everyone, say it with Ollie if you can.
I can identify specific sounds in words.
Great job, everyone. Our first activity will be identifying rhyming words. I'll say 2 words. If they rhyme, we'll put our hands in the air. If they don't rhyme, we'll just shake our heads no. Is everybody ready? Here's our first 2 words. Pond, fond. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. Clamp, stamp. Do they rhyme? Good job. Hunt, hurt. Do they rhyme? No, they don't. Wilt, fill. Do they rhyme? No, they don't.
Awesome job identifying whether or not 2 words rhyme.
We're going to do a new activity for our first sounds activity. I'm going to say a word. You're going to try to think of a word that starts with the same blend. For example, I say the word scar. You can say scare. They both begin with the sk blend. Ollie, can you try to think of a word that starts with the same blend as my word? All right, students, maybe you'll come up with one Ollie's word too. There are so many choices. Here's our word, clap. Can you think of a word that starts with the same first sound as clap? Cool. Ollie, do you have one? Clean. That's right. Clean starts with cl, like clap. Let's try another one. Snail. Can you think of a word that starts with the same blend sound in snail? Ready? Listen and see if yours is the same as Ollie's.
Sneeze.
Good job. Those both start with the sn blend. Let's try one more. Dry. Think of a word that starts with the same blend sound as dry. What's your word, Ollie?
Drove.
Good job. Drove and dry both start with the blend der.
Awesome job thinking of words that start with the same blend sounds as the first word. Now it's time for us to get our choppers out.
That's right. Ollie and I are going to chop all the sounds in a word. When Ollie does this, you'll put those sounds together and say what our word is. Listen carefully, everybody. Ski. Ski. Slip. Slip. Smash. Smash. Let's do one more. Snail. Snail.
Great job putting all the sounds in a word together to make a word.
That's right. For our next activity, I'm going to say a word. You are going to say what the middle sound is. And then you're going to say whether or not it's a long or short vowel. Or you'll say if it's a long or short vowel. Remember, a long vowel always says the name of a letter. Listen carefully, everybody. Aim. What's the middle sound?
A.
Is that long or short?
Long.
That's right. L. What's the middle sound?
Eh.
That's right. Is that a long or short vowel sound?
Short.
That's right. It's a short vowel sound. It. What's the middle sound? That's right. Is it long or short?
That one's short.
It is a short vowel. Let's do one more. Oat. What's the middle sound?
Oh,
That's right. Is that a long or short vowel sound?
long, because it says the name of the letter O.
That's right. Awesome job identifying the middle sound in words. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. I'll say a word, you'll repeat it, and then chop all the sounds in the word. Listen carefully. Say sky. Now chop sky. Sky. Good job. Say slide. Now chop slide. S-O-I-D. Awesome job. Say smoke. Now chop smoke. S-M-O-K. Good job. Let's do one more word. Say snake. Now chop snake. Snake.
Awesome job breaking a word down into all of its sounds. Now, for our next activity, Miss Hull will say a word. She'll tell you the first sounds to change. And when it goes like this, you'll say what our word is.
That's right, everyone. Here's our first word. Say grew. Change gur to st. Stew. Say crow. Change cur to sn. Snow. Say pro. Change per to slow. Slow. Let's do one more word. Say steep. Change st to sw. Sweep.
Awesome job changing the first sounds and words to make a new word.
Now for our next activity, we're going to start by saying the ending chunk of a word, which is its rhyme. I'll tell you the first sound to add. When Ollie does this with his wings, you'll put it together to make our word. Here we go. Say kin. Add s. Skin. Say low. Add s. Slow. Say mel. Add s. Smell. Let's do one more word, everyone. Say next. Add s. Snacks.
Oh, I'm ready for a snack right now.
Almost time, Ollie. We have one more activity to do.
Okay.
I'm going to say a word. I'll tell you the first sound to take away. And when Ollie does this, you'll say the chunk of the word that's left. Everybody ready? All right, here we go. Say scab. Say it without s. Cab. Say slap. Say it without s. Lap. Say smile. Say it without s. Mile. Let's do one more word, everybody. Say snow. Say it without s. No.
We just had a lot of snow recently.
Wow, we sure did, didn't we, everyone? Well, that's all the time we have for today.
We'll see you next time, super students.
Great job, everyone.